Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you are a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best GeForce RTX 5090 laptops. If you thought gaming laptops had already peaked, think again. With the arrival of NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090, portable gaming rigs just got a massive power-up. We're talking desktop-level performance in a chassis you can technically carry around. Now, let me show you the best GeForce RTX 5090 laptops you can get your hands on. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The third GeForce RTX 5090 laptop on our list is the ASUS ROG Strix, priced at $4,488.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The RTX 5090 runs at 175-watt TGP, which is the most conservative on the list, but paired with that Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, you're still getting incredible performance. The real star here is that ROG Nebula HDR display. We're talking 240 Hz refresh rate with mini LED technology and over 2,000 dimming zones. For competitive gaming, this display is absolutely gorgeous, with 100% DCI-P3 coverage, making colors just pop off the screen. Cooling is where ASUS always gets creative. The SCAR features a tri-fan design, liquid metal, and a vapor chamber, and it works. Battery life is surprisingly decent. 5 to 6 hours on balanced mode with integrated graphics. Storage and RAM are solid. 32GB DDR5, 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and ASUS made upgrades super easy. There's a tool-free latch to open the bottom panel and swap out RAM or SSD. No screws, no fuss. Big win. The speakers are decent. Webcam is standard laptop fare, and the microphone picks up voice clearly. Build quality, definitely more gamery than the others. Lots of sharp angles, RGB accents, translucent sections on the chassis. It's bold, but the build feels premium and durable. And it's a bit lighter too, which helps if you're moving it around. Ports are solid: Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, and all the basics. Nothing missing. However, at nearly 7 pounds, and with a large chassis, this laptop is not ideal for commuting or lap use. It's closer to a portable desktop replacement than a true laptop, and requires a large backpack or bag if you're moving it around. Our team recommends this for gaming enthusiasts who want RTX 5090 power without breaking the bank completely. The second GeForce RTX 5090 laptop on our list is the MSI Raider 18, priced at $4,899, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one sports an Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX, a desktop-class processor crammed into a laptop, delivering 25% better performance than last gen. The RTX 5090 pushes up to 260 watt here, which means you're getting much closer to the full potential of this GPU. Ray tracing performance is incredible, and DLSS4 with multi-frame generation is basically magic, turning 60 FPS into what feels like 120 FPS. The display is also fire, an 18-inch 4K mini LED, 120 Hz, super sharp, super bright, and supports HDR content beautifully. For cooling, you've got the dual fan system, 7 heat pipes, and the 3D cooling base that lifts the laptop up to improve airflow. Temps stay surprisingly stable, even in long sessions. Storage-wise, this one comes with 64GB of DDR5 RAM and 2TB of SSD, which is plenty unless you're archiving 8K footage or running 12 VMs. And yes, you can upgrade it down the line. The design is a whole vibe. Mystic light, RGB, light bar on the front, and a space-age aesthetic that really makes it stand out. It's not trying to be subtle, and that's kind of the point. If you like a flashy setup, this one's got you. Port selection's great too: Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, multiple USB A and C, Ethernet, SD card reader, you're covered. Take note, battery is not their strong point. It only lasts around 4 hours if you're being chill. You're not getting all-day juice with hardware that's stacked, but it's manageable for light tasks. Our team recommends this for gamers who want that perfect balance of power and features. This hits the sweet spot beautifully. The best GeForce RTX 5090 laptop on our list is the MSI Titan 18, priced at $5,599.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This absolute unit pushes the RTX 5090 and Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX to their absolute limits with MSI's Overboost Ultra technology, delivering a combined 270 watts of raw power. Multitasking, rendering, streaming, editing, nothing bogs this thing down. It features an 18-inch 4K mini LED 120Hz HDR 1000 full DCI P3 color. It's legit one of the best panels I've seen on any laptop ever. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just watching a movie, it looks crazy good. In terms of cooling, it has vapor chamber, dual fans, 7 heat pipes, and elevated 3D cooling stands to let air flow underneath. I ran benchmarks for hours, and it didn't throttle once. It does get warm, sure, and the fans are loud at max, but hey, that's the price for this much firepower. In terms of battery life, you'll get around 3 to 4 hours with light use, but that's expected for this class of machine. That 64 gigabytes of DDR5 paired with up to 6 terabytes of storage across 4 SSD slots is absolutely bonkers. This is future-proofing taken to the extreme. Build quality is premium throughout with excellent materials and rock-solid construction. The speakers are actually impressive for a laptop, and the webcam and mic are above average. Wi-Fi 7 support means you're ready for next-gen networking. Ports are complete: Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.1, USB-A, and Ethernet. Downsides? Well, it's huge, like almost 8 pounds, but if you want no compromises, this is it. Our team recommends this for content creators and gamers who demand maximum performance and are willing to pay for it. And there you have it, folks, the best GeForce RTX 5090 laptops. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.